I'm going to show you how to put a plant box together. Main trough has two areas, grey medium at the top, water reservoir at the bottom. To make it stand up, we have some end panels. Flip on the top, clip them into place. The parts are numbered, which you might find useful. So that was 2, this is 3, the trough being number 1. We then have the important bit, how we separate and divide the water reservoir from the growing area. And we use these shelves with some capillary felt. The capillary felt will wick up the water from the water reservoir into the grey medium. So we pull them about halfway, and we're just going to drop them down into the trough. So that's now going to have access to all of the water in the reservoir and wick it up into the grey medium area. So they slot down there, and then the main bit of capillary felt, you just lay it over the top. Central divider, just for a bit of strength. And the water level indicator. This will just bob up and down with the water, telling you how much water is in the water reservoir. Another divider plate there, just to separate out again the growing medium from the reservoir. Then the filter. These must always be in place. As you water, this will catch any debris. So it slots into there. And if you get any debris, you can just tap it out. Then for stacking, you have the stacking clips, one for each corner. And that is a plant box. Then to join to another plant box, if you're stacking them, you're simply stacking one on top of the other like this. If you're joining side to side, we also have some joining clips just to align it. And that's how you put together your plant boxes. There's a huge range and choice of suitable plants for plant box. It all depends on layout, aspect and client requirements. Some clients, for example, might want to grow your own wall, so they can grow herbs or salads or strawberries. Others may want walls that are full of flowers that they can change out, bedding plants and what have you. Many of our clients, though, want evergreen walls. They want all year round colour. And so there's a massive choice of what you can do. Anything size-wise from seedlings up to 1 litre pots works. We tend to categorise our living walls into full shade, partial shade and full sun. And that really guides the plants that you want to put in there. And we've got some suggestions on our website of what you can use in each of those conditions. You can either plant out on the wall once you've formed the whole wall, or you can plant into troughs and then stack those troughs once they've already been planted. We're just looking to angle the plants forward ever so slightly. Press it in nice and firmly. A little bit of debris in the filter, just tap that out. There's a plant box, ready to go. Plant box can be either freestanding or wall mounted. Where freestanding, it can go up to 8 metres in height without the need for additional support. All of the load acts downwards and the wall is not being asked to carry any of the weight. It is just merely restraint fixings that are required at height. With a built-in cascading overflow watering system and the manner in which each trough pulls water up into the growing medium via the capillary felt, it is impossible to overwater plant boxes. And with the yellow indicators clearly showing reservoir levels, it should be really easy not to underwater. We recommend adjustable high flow drippers, irrigation lace and irrigation pipe connected back to a simple hose lock connection or an irrigation controller. You can even connect a remote sensing and control if you want to. PlantBox is a game-changing sustainable vertical greening product that makes it so easy to reconnect with nature while at the same time being environmentally and socially responsible. For more information and resources, including trade prices and a free sample, please contact us.